Seed to Plant. And it is written by Kristen Beard-Rattini. So that is the author. And it's a National Geographic kids book, which I really love National Geographic, so I can't wait to read it. Let's find out what Seed to Plant is all about. Here we have a table of contents that tells us what we'll find on each page. What is a plant? A plant is a living thing. It stays in one place, but it grows and it changes, just like you. Plants can be big or small. Some have flowers. Others also grow fruit. Trees are plants too. And it says tangerine tree, orchid, water lily, and fern. Plants are a big part of our world. Farmers grow fruits and vegetables. These plants give us food. Some plants can be used to make clothing. Your t-shirt is made up from cotton plants. Other plants are cozy homes for animals. And here we have a bear that's in a tree and a farmer on his cotton field. Parts of a plant. You can use your body to remember the parts of a plant. Arms are like leaves, your body is like a stem, and your feet are like roots. Roots hold the plant in the ground. The stem helps the plant stand up tall. Leaves soak up the sunlight. We have roots, stem, and leaves. How does a plant begin? Let's dig in. Most plants start as a seed. Step 2, the seed splits open. A shoot pushes out. This is called germination. And right here, they're spelling it in a different way to tell us how to say it. Germination. Germination. Step 3, a new plant is beginning. So it shows us plant started as a seed. Now it's shooting out. And then a plant begins. A seedling starts to grow. Roots reach down into the soil. A stem pushes up into the air. And it shows us the leaves, the stem, and the roots. And then over here it says buzzwords. It caught my attention because I see a little super bee there. It says germination, and it gives us a definition. The sprouting of a new plant from a seed. And then it gives us another definition of seedling, like we read over here. A seedling is a young plant. A plant grows. Just like you, a plant grows bigger and bigger. The roots spread out and down into the soil. The stem gets thicker and stronger. More leaves and branches grow. And then it says, watering a garden helps it grow. And then there's these girls watering a garden. And then over here it says, buzzwords, buzz, buzz, soil. And the soil is the top layer of earth, which plants grow in. So that's that dirt right on the top, right? The dirt we see that all these plants are growing in is soil. What do plants need? Plants need these things in order to grow. Soil, water, food, sunlight, air, and space. Water and some food come from the soil. The roots soak them up. Sunlight and air enter through the leaves. Plants use them to make more food. Plants also need space to grow. And then it says up here it says sunlight, air, soil, water, and food. Ooh, I like this one a lot. 6 fun plant facts. Number 1 in this purple circle is, this palm tree seed can weigh as much as a 4th grader. It's the heaviest seed in the world. Whoa, look at that the palm tree seed. Number 2, our second fun plant fact is, scrub-a-dub in the tub. Plants are used in many soaps and shampoos. Fun fact number 3, the paper for this book was made from trees. Fun fact number 4, one sunflower can make as many as 1,000 seeds. So these are all seeds in here. That's what that label is telling us. Number 5 in the yellow circle, it says, bamboo grows the fastest of any plant. It can grow as tall as a 3-year-old kid in 1 day. Wow. Number 6, our last fun fact. Remember, it said 6 fun plant facts. The tallest living tree is taller than the Statue of Liberty in New York, USA. Wow, that is really tall. Flowers bloom. Many plants grow flowers. They start as a bump called a bud. The bud slowly opens. Petals gently unfold. Surprise, it's a flower. Sticky pollen. Flowers make a sticky powder called pollen. Pollen sticks to birds and bees when they fly from flower to flower. Then the pollen rubs off on other flowers. This is called pollination. And once again, it's showing us a funny way of spelling it. It's spelling it just how we should say it. Pollination. Pollination. It helps flowers make seeds. And then down here we have our buzzword, pollination. The moving of pollen from one flower to another. This makes seeds grow. Seeds. Plants keep seeds in different places. Many plants grow a case around the seeds. The case is called a pod. Peas and maple tree seeds grow in pods. Orange seeds are different. Their seeds are on the inside. I bet a lot of you have seen orange seeds. But strawberry seeds are on the outside. Did you know that these are all little teeny seeds on the strawberry? And then it says their seeds are, the maple tree pod seeds are down here. And then that's where the pea pods are on the inside. The pea pod seeds. Now the seeds take a trip. Some float on the wind. Others are carried away by animals. The seeds fall to the ground. Soon they sprout or germinate. A new plant begins. And this is showing a bird carrying a berry with a seed inside. A squirrel holds a large seed. And dandelion seeds scatter in the wind. I love finding dandelions and blowing them away to make wishes, blowing the seeds away. Pass the plants, please. People and animals eat plants to stay healthy. How many plants did you eat today? A panda eats a bamboo plant. Watermelon is a fruit that comes from a plant. Make your garden grow. You can grow your own bean plant. Ask a grown-up for help. You'll need 1 lima bean seed, a cup of water, a 4-inch flower pot, glass jar, or paper cup, and soil. I really like this page because even though we might not do this experiment at home and do our own bean plant, it's really cool to look at a how-to list. So it's giving us a very clear how-to and steps. 1, 2, 3, 4. It told us all the materials that we will need. And then it's saying first, soak your seed in a cup of water overnight. Second, fill the flower pot with soil. Push your seed down into the soil about 1 inch. Third, add a little water to moisten the soil. Fourth, place the pot in a warm, sunny spot and a little water whenever the soil gets dry. Your seedling should sprout within 1 week. What in the world? These pictures show close-up views of things in this book. Use the hints below to figure out what's in the pictures. This opens up to a flower. This part of the plant takes in sunlight and air. This flower can make up to 1,000 seeds. This falls and waters the plants. This buzzes as it flies from flower to flower. I think we know that one though. Bzzz. And this one's hint is this has seeds on the outside. So which plant had seeds on the outside? Let's see if you were right. For number 1, it's bud. Buds open into a flower. For number 2, it's leaf. Leaf takes in the plant's sunlight and air. Number 3 is a sunflower. Sunflowers make up to 1,000 seeds. Number 4, you were right. Rain falls and waters the plants. Number 5, I already told you that one. Super bee buzzes and flies from flower to flower. And then number 6, a strawberry has seeds on the outside. Nice job, kindergarten. And these are just our definitions again of germination, pollination, seedling, and soil. So you can remind yourself what all those were. Germination is the sprouting of a new plant from a seed. Pollination is the moving of pollen from one flower to another. This makes seeds grow. A seedling is a young plant, and soil is the top layer of earth which plants grow in. The end. Thanks for joining me for Seed to Plant.